Hello, dear students. This is the second question of exercise number 11.3. Up to exercise number 11.2 we have completed, and today we have to see some upcoming questions of third exercise. If you haven't seen the solution of previous question, then you should see its solution. So you should go throughout the previous videos which I have already uploaded. So on top side I button is there. So on clicking I button you can check that videos. And still if you are new in this channel, so you should subscribe this channel so that all videos notification you can get weekly. Okay, then here title I haven't written or separate PPT I haven't made for this because now you are habituated to learn this type of. So this is the exercise number 11.3 of standard, as you can see a standard 8, obviously standard 8, okay? And this is the second question. A suitcase with measures of 80 centimeter, 48 and 24 centimeter is to be covered with terpelium cloth. Okay, you know what is this terpelium? That is one type of material, almost like plastic, but it's not clearly plastic, but it's waterproof. And if you have seen the web series Man versus Wild, તો એમાં જે બેરી ગ્રીલ્સ હોય છે મેન વર્સિસ વાઇલ્ડમાં એ જે ઘણી વખત રિવર્સ ને બધું ક્રોસ કરવા માટે જે તરાપો કહેવાય એને નાનું એવું આપણે દેશી ભાષામાં કહીએ કે એની ઉપર તરી શકાય એની ઉપર બેસીને so that type of object is made from which material is called terpelium sheet. આપણે જે ગુજરાતીમાં કહીએ તો ત્રાડપત્રી આવે ને થોડુંક થોડુંક એની જેવો એકચ્યુઅલી ઇટ્સ નોટ ત્રાડપત્રી બરાબર એની જેવું ન હોય પણ ઇટ્સ સમથિંગ લાઈક ધેટ. So that is one type of almost plastic type of material, okay, which you can fold and easily you can expand. So terpelium cloth it's called, okay. So some basic ideas I have given. For more information you can search on Google. Okay, suitcase is given with measurement 80 centimeter, 48 and 24. Okay, so from the dimensions clearly you can say this is which type of shape? Array suitcase. Suit, yes, cuboid. It not because in my life I haven't seen any suitcase like trapezium. How many meters of terpelin with yes width 96 centimeter is required to cover 100 such suitcase? Have you understood the question? What question want to see or want to ask? Okay, if no, then let me show you one meta. See, it is like this cuboidal shape is there. Okay, for example, you can consider this type of suitcase is there. It's not looking like suitcase, but basic ideas from this figure you can get. Okay, so one this type of suitcase is there, and it to be covered with this material. આપણે suitcase હોય તેના કવર આવે ખબર ને હા તો એ ટાઈપનું કવર બનાવવાનું છે. So this is the dimension, this is the length, breadth and height is ત્રણેયને મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીએ તો શું મળે ખબર છે? વોલ્યુમ મળે એની અંદર તારે પાણી ભરવું હોય ને તો ત્રણેયને મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરાય. કવર બનાવવાનું હોય તો ત્રણેય મલ્ટીપ્લાય ન થાય કોઈ દિવસ. So first you have to find its, what you have to find? Its What do you have to find? Hello, hello, hello. Are you get? Okay. First, you have to find its TSA, total surface area. Length, breadth, and height is given. Shape, now you know. This is cuboidal shape. So it's TSA, total surface area you have to find. For example, you just assume, okay, that this is suitcase. For example, okay, this is suitcase. Now I have to cover this suitcase. Okay, I have to cover this suitcase, suppose. So it's TSA I will find because I will cover suitcase from all side obviously. From top side this also should be covered, back side also should be covered. This all edges should be covered, very obviously. So here as you can see this figure in your mobile. So this suitcase we have to cover from every side. So first we have to find its TSA. Okay, agree or not? Okay, so first we will find TSA. TSA of you can write suitcase also, otherwise you can write cuboid also. Okay. CSA of yes, which formula? Tell me. आवड़े कई book में to अच्छा you have used width for breadth you have used yes okay 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Okay, just substitute the values. L is 80. Okay, 80 and B is 48 plus BH. 48 into height is 24 plus LH. L is 80 and 24 bracket complete. Okay, if you simplify this, so what will come? Okay, 48 into 24 multiply 48 into 24 if you multiply then double yes. Hmm. Yes. Oh, oh, આટલું બધું ના અચ્છા મલ્ટીપ્લાય બાય પાછું 2 છે ઓકે then in this type of situation you have to confirm all the numbers twice. So final answer will come 13,824. Very good. Centimeter square. Okay. This is the area. Area of one suitcase. Remember. This type of how many suitcases are there? First, we have to see 100 suitcases are there. So, 100 we have to multiply, but not right now, afterward. Why? Because now see the question. How many meter of terpelin with width 96 centimeter is required? હવે જો હવે આ કદાચ વસ્તુ નહીં તમને સમજો તો હું થોડુંક પ્રેક્ટિકલ એક્ઝામ્પલ આપું You all might have visited this shop. Okay, which shop? પેલું જે કાપડ વેચાતું હોય ને દુકાન, કપડાના કાપડના વેપારી હોય કે નહીં. હવે તમે ત્યાં જઈને તમે જો જોયું હોય તો round, long and big round type rolls are there. કપડાની જે દુકાન હોય તો રોલ હોય ને બધા, એને આપણે ગુજરાતીમાં દેશી ગુજરાતી ભાષામાં એને તાકો કહેવાય કે આ એક આખો તાકો, બીજો તાકો, ત્રીજો તાકો, એવી રીતે કહેવાય. બહુ મોટા મોટા હોય, એટલા એટલા મોટા મોટા, આથી વધારે મોટા હોય રોલ્સ વિથ ડિફરન્ટ કાઇન્ડ ઓફ મટીરિયલ. અલગ અલગ કાપડ હોય, આ કલર, બીજો કલર, ત્રીજો કલર, એવા ઘણા બધા કલરના હોય રોલ્સ, બરાબર. ઓકે, સો નાઉ સિચ્યુએશન ઇઝ ધેટ width of roll is given, suppose this much. For example, in here it is given 96 centimeter. Okay, here it is given 96 centimeter. So you just assume this is the almost, okay, 96 centimeter, this much width. Can you see me? Okay, so almost this much length, this much width is 96 centimeter, but length is still not decided because that is full roll. If you open that roll, if you expand that roll, okay, you just assume that I will just keep that roll in my hand and you will stretch the material from your side. તેમાંથી કેટલું બધું મટીરીયલ નીકળતું જાય, નીકળતું જાય, નીકળતું જાય, કેટલું બધું મટીરીયલ નીકળે, કાપડ નીકળે ને ભાઈ ઘણું બધું. As per your requirement, you have to cut that material from some particular point. Understood? If I want some material, then breadth is fixed. Now see, breadth will not cut by 2. For example, if that roll's breadth is this much, for example, so length, they will ask me, okay, how much length is required. I will tell them, okay, this meter, this meter, this and this meter. So as per his knowledge, he will just stretch some material, he will just open some roll and then he will cut out. Okay, using scissor he will cut out from some particular point. Yes or no? હું જે બોલું છું ખબર પડે છે ને? Okay, so now my question is that here, which question is asked, that a tarpaulin sheet, a roll is 96 centimeter wide, this much. So how much long material is required? Length here we have to find. Okay, length here we have to find, because here see in question it is written how many meter of tarpaulin sheet, એટલે કેટલા મીટર ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું, 10 મીટર કાપવાનું. આપણે આ એક સુટકેસનું કવર થયું, બરાબર. આવી તો હજી 100 સુટકેસીસ આપણે તૈયાર કરવાની છે. તો જે દુકાને લેવા જાય કપડું, તો એ વેપારીને શું કહેવું, કેટલા મીટર કપડું આપો, ખબર પડી ક્વેશ્ચન? સો નાવ this much material, 13,824 centimeter square, this much material is required for one suitcase, Okay, so right, yes, you can multiply directly by 100 also right now. Otherwise, if you find for a particular one and afterward you can multiply with 100. Choice is yours. Okay, so right now I'm going to multiply with 100. Okay, so 1382, yes, 4 and 00 centimeter square. Just to yes, that is almost correct, but which logic have you applied? Why you can divide it by 96? What is the logic? Yeah. almost correct, but let me show you exact logic. What is the exact logic? Now see, this much material, total this much material is required. But આ મટીરિયલ બધું આવશે શેમાંથી? પેલા રોલમાંથી જ તે. So that one statement here we have to write that area of material. Otherwise roll also you can write. I will write here material. Okay, otherwise tarpaulin also you can write. I will write here material. Otherwise cloth. Okay, area of cloth is equal to TSA of cuboid. But area of cloth means પેલો જે રોલ હતો એનો એરિયા કેટલો થાય? That is always rectangular. Okay, for example, this much material I have taken. Okay, from the roll I have just extended this much material I have taken, so that is rectangular only. So area of cloth, otherwise area of roll, is L into B. This word you must have to mention. L into B is equal to, okay, but breadth is given, means width is given. So L into 96 is equal to, and if you divide, so L is equal to 1382400 upon 96 you will get. If you divide 00 પણ લગાડશે. They have asked, okay, yes, in question it is asked how many meter. Okay, so 14,400 centimeter. Okay, so if you want to convert it in meters, so divide by so 144 meter cloth is required. 144 meter cloth is required. Okay. Because 100 suitcases are there. Actually TSA of cuboid is what? આપણે TSA cuboid એટલે એક suitcase નું થયું. એક suitcase જો છે એને મારે કવર કરવી છે તો કેટલું મટીરીયલ જોશે? Because here dimensions are given. Okay, 80, 48, 24 are, these dimensions are for one suitcase. Listen, remember. Okay, एक suitcase નું મળ્યું. So here which data we got up to here 13,824 is the total surface area of one suitcase. But here see, read the last line, cover 100 such suitcases. So 100 suitcases are there, so we should multiply now with 100, huh? So that, okay, anybody? Is it clear? See, this is really important question. If I will make a paper, so this type of questions I can ask. Anybody will ask, anybody will like to ask this type of questions? Okay, clear? May I go ahead for next question? Okay. Very easy question is here. Find the side of cube whose surface area is given. So easy question. You have to solve this question. Surface area. When they ask you, actually they should mention here, cube of whose surface area, means here which surface area you will consider, because they haven't mentioned curved surface or total surface. They haven't mentioned here. Okay, but I have written here total surface. In exam, I will mention. You will not be confused. Okay. So TSC is given. So easily you, 6L square is equal to 600. So L square is equal to 100. L is equal to 10, 10 centimeter. L square is equal to 100. So L is equal to 10. Okay. So easy question. Just okay. Next, Ruxar. Okay, Ruxar painted the outside of the cabinet of measure. So these measurements are given. This is the cabinet. Okay, one type of cupboard you can see. Uh, करना पड़ेगा. Okay, but actually this type of cabinet is not required to draw. You people can draw like this also. See here, which type of you have to draw. જો પહેલા આવી રીતે ડ્રો કરો રેક્ટેંગલ you can draw. Okay, then again one more rectangle like this, and then you have to join these sides like this. Rectangle is done, and now this is breadth. Okay, 1 meter. So here you can mention 1 meter. Okay, 1 meter here, 1 meter. This is length, so you can mention 2 meter, and this is height, so you can mention here 1.5 meter. Okay, so like this easy, see a simple figure you can draw. It's not required to draw this much typical. Yes, and if you are good in drawing and if you really like this thing, બહુ મજા આવતી હોય ડ્રો કરવાની તો સારું તો વાંધો નહીં બરાબર. પહેલું પણ વહી ગયું સેકન્ડ પીપીટીમાં હતું એટલે વાંધો નહીં. Okay, then this is these are the dimensions, and how much surface area did she cover if painted all except the bottom of the cabinet? Means bottom she don't have to color. મૂકવી તો પડે પણ પાછું નીચેનું બોટમ નથી ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું તો શું કરશું. Total surface area minus something you have to remove. Yes, bottom, not top. Top she has to color. Just bottom she don't has to color. Okay, so bottom you have to remove. How you can remove bottom? Let me write. Okay, area. Okay, surface area. I will not mention TSA or CSA because this is neither TSA nor CSA. I will just mention surface area. Okay. Otherwise, you can write required surface area. You can write. Okay. Let me write required surface area is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH minus what minus? Yes, bottom તો મને ખબર આમાં થોડુંક લખાય bottom. How we can find area of bottom? L into B. Okay, then if you expand this, 2LB plus 2BH plus 2LH minus LB. So 2LB minus LB. So just LB. Okay, LB plus 2. H is common. L plus B. Let's substitute. Length is 2. Okay, you have to mention all the data which is given. I'm not going to write right now, it's not required. Okay, but you have to write properly. Length is 2, breadth 1, height 1.5, L plus B means 2 plus 1, 2, 3, because 1.5 twos are 3, okay? Into 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 threes are 9 plus 2, 11 meter square. 11 meter square area Ruxar has to paint. Write down. हाँ इजी है, सब कुछ इजी है. Hello students, are you getting what I am saying, or this is like Bradley's bouncer? Are you getting my words, what I explain? Okay. Just he will consider present who will attend the full class. Means at the end time of the session, I will mark your present. It's not like that the beginning part of this lecture you just enter for 5-10 minutes, you just stay, and afterward you remove. No. At the end of the session, who will hear, they will just consider present. Okay. So it's good. Okay, then because see, so many students have leave. Okay, now one more question we can solve. Three we have completed. We can solve one more. Fourth one also we have completed. Hmm. Daniel. Okay, let's tap Daniel. Daniel is painting the walls and ceiling of cuboidal hall with length, breadth, and height 15, 10, and 7. હા તો બીજા ક્વેશ્ચનની ફિગર આવી ગઈ એવું લાગે છે. Yes, this figure is 6 questions figure. Hmm. So we don't have to describe actually right now. We have to complete something else. Okay, up to here only we will crop. Hmm. આમાં તો કઈ ફિગરની જરૂર નથી આમ જુઓ ને તો. Daniel is painting wall and ceiling of cuboidal wall, and three of the measurements are given. Okay, these measurements, cuboidal hole is there, 15 meter, 10 meter, 7 meter. Okay, from each from each can of paint, can have ne? Painting, wala paint na. 100 meter square of area is painted. How many cans are required? That we have to find. So easy. First, what you will find? First one. Total. See, read first. See, read first line. Daniel is painting the walls and ceiling of cuboidal hall. So just floor you don't have to paint it. Miss Daniel don't have to paint it. Floor. Remaining floor, all the things means four of the walls, which you can call lateral surface, and ceiling. He has to paint. Okay. So just right now, this formula we have used now. આમાં એ જ સિચ્યુએશન હતી જો ભાઈ બધી બાજુ કલર કરવાનો હતો સીલિંગ નહીં તે ખાલી નીચેનું જે હતું બોટમ એને નહોતો કરવાનો સો ડાયરેક્ટલી ધીસ ફોર્મ્યુલા યુ કેન યુઝ okay so I will use directly this formula lb plus 2h l plus b lb plus 2h l plus b directly you can use આખો each question છે copy to copy just words are different here okay so all the measurements are given l is equal to 15 b is equal to 10 h is equal to 7 okay so you just put the values l is 15 b is 10 plus 2 into h is 7 l plus b so 15 plus 10 25 directly I have written here okay so 150 plus 7 twos are m no kara easy play 25 twos are 50 57 are 350 500 meter square हाँ डिवाइड करवानो माइनस नहीं करवानो बिकॉज फ्रॉम ईच कैन पेंट 100 मीटर स्क्वेर इज देयर એટલે કે આ 500 500 मीटर स्क्वेर एरिया you have to paint but in each can how much paint is there 100 meter square you can paint from one can okay you have to write properly okay 5 can થાય clear okay we'll stop here only homework is same I have already given yesterday now I will not make something much it will become burden for you homework is again I am repeating up to here which I have done that all things you have to write in exercise book like today only I will ask yes like today only I will ask anybody to show his or her book okay I will check anybody to any students I will ask yes Monday means today see today I am not giving you homework anything tomorrow is Sunday lectures are not there so you can complete that all things which are remain on Monday I will check પણ મંડે હતા ને અત્યારે ક્યાં મેં ભાઈ કોઈને કાંઈ કીધું મેં એવું કીધું કે તમે અત્યારે ને અત્યારે જતો okay then dear students we will meet in our next lecture tomorrow is Sunday is fun day and on yes 1 minute and on Monday again we will meet on our same time still if you are new on this channel so subscribe this channel and really if you like this video so you can share with your friends and don't forget to press like button if you really like this video thank you bye bye